Hi friends, now this is the actually last section of your carbohydrates content. That is, you'll be studying the structure of polysaccharides. Polysaccharides contain infinite, so many hundreds of monomers, okay, of which the polysaccharides which we are going to see are starch and cellulose. Okay, starch is a polysaccharides, and this has two components, amylose and amylopectins. Okay, starch has two components. It's a very important question. Okay, all the questions are very important, but this is very important. It's easy also to score the marks. Amylopectin and amylose and amylopectin. Okay, this amylose has just 1,4 glycosidic linkage. So starch is actually a polymer of glucose. Starch is nothing but it's a polymer of glucose. Okay, so glucose units, this starch has two components. One is amylose and amylopectin. This amylose, in amylose, the glucose units are connected via alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkages. And in amylopectin, there are 1,4 alpha 1,4 glucosidic linkage and also alpha 1,6 glucosidic linkage. So there are both 1,4 and 1,6 in the case of amylopectin. So these two components together make the starch. Now we'll see the structure. So as usual, you need to draw the Haworth structure. So this is the Haworth structure for glucose, in which you have to write down. So everything is an alpha form. So OH. So this is going to be, sorry, it's alpha glucose. So I have to write the left on top, H, OH, and then H, OH, OH, H, H, OH, and CH2OH and H. So similarly, I have to draw 2 or 3 more units. Once again, I have another unit like this. Please make the drawing a little bit legible. I am not drawing properly. Okay, it goes on. Okay, so I'll be having infinite number of such structures. So I'll just have to tell you how we have to condense it. So you can see this is the first carbon. See 1,4 glycosidic linkage. So it's the first carbon, and here it is a fourth carbon. Okay, first carbon and fourth carbon. So they are going to condense. So they are going to form the linkage like this. So this is what is a starch. So what is starch? 1,4 alpha 1,4. You need not draw with a different color and all to make you understand. I'm just drawing it. Okay. So this goes on repeating for infinite number of times. So that hundreds and 200 so on. So I can draw the structure here and I can put n. So n times it gets repeated. So this is the structure for amylose. Structure of amylose. Amylose has only 1,4-glycosidic linkage. Now amylopectin. So amylopectin is also going to have the same structure. So all of you spend some time and draw the structure for amylose. Okay, எல்லாரும் amylose வரைஞ்சுக்கோங்க. So amyloseல ஒரு 4-5 குளுக்கோஸ் யூனிட் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா சடன்னா குளுக்கோஸோட யூனிட் வந்து பிரான்ச் ஆகும். So I'll be having another glucose unit here. So how I will be having this? I'll be having it like this here. Okay. So this is my oxygen. H, OH, H, OH, OH, H. H, OH, and CH2, OH, CH2, OH, and H. So what is going to happen? This OH and this CH2OH are going to condense, and I'm going to get a alpha-1,6-glycosidic linkage like this. Okay, then this again goes on repeating as 1,4-glycosidic linkage. Okay, so this structure is called as amylopectin. Amylopectin. Okay, so this is called as amylopectin. Amylopectin la enna irukum 1,4 linkage தொடர்ந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். அப்ப சடனா 1,6 ஆரம்பிக்கும். அதுக்கு அப்புறம் திருப்பி 1,4 தொடரும். அப்புறம் திருப்பி 1,6 1,4 1,6 1,4 அப்படியே ஆல்டர்னேட்டா வந்துகிட்டே இருந்துச்சுன்னா that is called as amylopectin. So this finishes off with starch. Now we are going to cellulose. Cellulose, what is the structure we saw? Beta 1,4-glycosidic linkage. So what I should draw? The beta glucose I should. So here I should have OH in the top H. Here H, OH, OH, H, H, OH, CH2, OH, and H. So we will draw 2 more units to make it easier to understand. So I'm drawing 2 hexagons. So you can draw hexagons in sequence so that you can easily I'm drawing it to make it easier. So H, 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 OH, OH, H, H, OH, CH2, OH, H. Once again here, OH, H, H, OH, OH, H, H, OH, CH2, OH, and H. So here what we should do, 1,4-glycosidic linkage, first carbon and the 4th carbon. See what is happening. So you get this water is getting condensed like this. So I will be getting what linkage? 1,4-glycosidic linkage. What linkage I will be getting? 1,4-glycosidic linkage. Okay, so this is what is a 1,4-glycosidic linkage. This n times if I am going to do it. Then this is the cellulose. Okay. So hope you would have understood the structures of the three, that is the two starch and the cellulose polysaccharides. Okay. Thank you.